So guys, what do you think about all the grooms suddenly crying at bridal entries? Do you think there's like a pressure now on grooms where they're like, we have to cry when the bride walks in?
I have so much to say. How is that one moment, like, you know,
Yeah.
when you're seeing her coming, like, from the aisle, right? And then she's walking, and in that one moment, your tear is coming down. How is that possible? That is not humanly. Okay, maybe.
Maybe
Sometimes.
they feel like first time this girl I love as a bride, nahi?
Bullshit. She has sent him DMs and she has like tortured him कि तू रोएगा जब मैं आऊंगी क्योंकि मेरी रील शूट होनी है.
But also, it's not easy to just cry on command. Na? So if they're crying, to like imagine if I tell you cry. Okay, can you take out tears?
Yeah, those are tears of fear. Like they cry because अगर मैं नहीं रोया तो फिर ये पूरी लाइफ सुनाएगी मुझे.
Men are being able to, like, there's a space for men to emote the way they want without being criticized.
That's
and,
true.
And apparently it's considered like a good thing, right?
Yes, we are getting rid of toxic masculinity.
Masculinity.
So as long as it's genuine, as long as it's not threatened कि तू रो मेरी रील बन रही है, otherwise it's sweet.
Yeah, I think it's all of the wedding videos in the past were always of brides crying. It was the
Yeah.
bride. Now it's like bridal vidais are quite happy.
Yeah.
Brides are
They
not
are
crying
very
at
chill, like,
vidais.
yeah, finally I'm going.
Yeah, they're very
They are very
chill.
happy.
And now it's all the videos are grooms
Yeah.
looking like that, like very cute. I must say, like
It
no,
is
my groom did not cry, but yeah, I'm actually pleasantly surprised by the number of grooms crying.
And the
Though
number
she's
of reels.
suspicious.
Yeah,
about
I'm a
it.
little suspicious.
Yeah, the number definitely is
Yeah.
suspicious, but the idea of it, I think I'm quite appreciative of it. I quite like it.
No, but
As
this
a
happens.
Muslim.
I met this couple in Jim Corbett, and they told me that, you know, she said, I told my groom that when I'm walking down the aisle, you better cry, you better cry.
That's what I'm talking about. See, that's
he
not
didn't,
genuine.
because
That's threatened.
Yeah, it didn't come naturally to him, so he didn't. It's not like she was mad at him about it, but there is this unsaid pressure.
Not most, but yeah, some.
I'm sorry, not everybody's born Shah Rukh.
But I think Gen Z grooms have really stepped up to be like fully involved in wedding planning.
Which
the
is
way-
cute.
Very cute. We see this even in like, so we have like obviously a decor brand
Yeah.
called Wish Company and stuff, and we see the amount of grooms who are involved in decor details, and it's not just their sherwani and all that
Yeah,
stuff. So
yeah.
it's an amazing change, I feel.
Shameless plug-in. We have a Genie service which caters to brides and grooms. You can utilize it to find your best vendors. But coming to that, even in Genie, right, you get a lot of queries, of course, coming from the brides and all. But there's a huge increase in number of grooms reaching out, wanting and being actively involved.
Yeah.
You know, in the wedding planning. And it's always a joint meeting.
Yeah.
And the groom also has, like, grooms are also on Pinterest
Yeah.
nowadays.
Yeah.
They also have a mood board and everything, right?
And the sweetest part is that, you know, now they know the word aesthetic. That okay, so like this is my aesthetic for my wedding. I want it to be pastel pink and ivory, and they are on board with it.
Yeah,
So
they
that's
still don't know colors.
Yeah.
But they know aesthetic.
Oh, men are colorblind.
Yeah.
When you're looking at brides and grooms nowadays,
Yeah.
even in our annual report, the average age comes out to be something like 29 or something. So
yeah.
there are a lot of 30, 31, 32-year-olds getting married. At that time, you're more financially secure, you're contributing to your wedding, and
Yeah.
you actually actively want to get married.
Yeah.
And you're more involved in that planning as opposed to somebody telling you that, okay, it's the right time to get married. So maybe that's the reason why there's that much more involvement from the groom side. And so this whole thing that people say, like, congratulations to the bride and condolences to the groom, this whole Indian humor of telling the groom ki tumhari life hi khatam ho gayi hai, whereas like the girl has just been waiting for marriage. Like, I'm glad that grooms are finally like changing that perception, that it's like an equal decision between both of them, and
Yeah.
it's, you know, they're more involved in their planning. So Gen Z is really doing a good job, at least in terms of that.
Yes.